All right, so 3.3, number 1, okay, it says, given the following graph where the mean is marked, which value would best represent the z-score shown? Okay, so when we're doing standard normal, okay, so before, when we told bell shape or empirical rule, we were dealing with, some given mean. Okay, your mean was in the middle. When you do standard score, let's say that your mean was 50. So let's say our mean was 50. Mu equals 50. And let's say sigma was, let's say, 4.69. Okay, so some of those problems we were given some standard deviation that wasn't easy to add and count by. Like we can do it, but it just takes a little bit of time. Okay, so when we do z-score, okay, so here's the formula for z-score. Z is equal to x minus the mean divided by standard deviation. So what this formula is doing is taking our mean and standard deviation and shifting our data so that our mean is now 0 in the middle. Our mean is 0. So mu is always going to be 0 for standard normal. And then our standard deviation is equal to 1. So instead of having to count by some weird number, we can just count 1, 2, 3, and -1, -2, -3. And it's the same information that we're going to get. So all it does is takes this information, shifts it back so that we're centered at 0, and it's easier to count positive or -1 versus adding 4.69. Okay, so based on where this is, okay, according to this standard normal, it's right in the middle. Okay, so they want you to understand that this hasn't gone to the positive side, it hasn't gone to the negative side. This is right in the middle. So we want to say that this z-score is 0, just right in the middle.